Hey there folks, I'm still traveling. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. Oh, I love it. I love it. What are the shapes? What is the shape? I think what I like here for this is today what I am feeling is 4 elements. Let's do 4 elements. Ready? Here they come. We want that to put yellow on the body. And I'm going to create the first element. The height is more like, what, 20? Maybe 30. Okay, and then I'm going to do border inline. 30, 50 pixels solid, like that. No background. Or no background, that's what I meant to do. Let's put the margins on the body element, or the paragraph element. 25, 30 on the top. This margin needs to be 22. And then this margin needs the border inline needs to be more, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And that does it. So now I make another one. Boom, there it is. Its margins are a little bit different. So P plus P, those margins there. Actually, margin 22. What if we did a variable with that? Var M or 22. And then for this one, that M is going to be a little bit more, 50. 52. Now, it's in the wrong spot, right? So that means we need, what, minus 30? Minus 30. I think that puts us right where we want to be. There we go. Okay, so now that works for those. Let's do the next. So this will be P plus P plus P. And with an even more margin, I think that's going to be 72. Dash dash M is 72. Oh, and look at that. Oh, no. How about 67 or 62? 72. 77? 80? 82. All right. And we got a problem. We need the background. So let's do background red. Okay. So then what? Can I force this element? No, we kind of chose it with this border inline. We chose what we're going to do there. So let's make the 4th one. And there it is. It's just a little taller. So P plus P plus P plus P. And I'm specifically choosing a selector. I'm not using the normal attribute selectors that I would use. But let's make the height 100, 120, 30, 40, 150. Okay. And then do border none. Okay. And then I need the margins to change, right? Dash dash M for that guy is like 180. There it is. So now if I set this color, both of them change. We just set a margin to 152. No, no, that's not a margin. 182. No, 175. 177. There it is. And let's submit. Step by step by step by step. 4 elements. Nothing particular on the body. We can, trim a few things down, but we'll minify and we'll unit replace. No extra attributes. All p tags, all with the adjacency selector. So that's this next to that, this next to that. That's what that plus sign is, and that's an efficient way to go. No, it's an inefficient way to go, but it is a reminder of one of the tools available to you in CSS. So you can involve the siblings and force a sequence of things to result in a selectable element, which is really powerful. All right, that's it. Yeah, I'm not going to change this too much. Yeah, that's fixed. Okay. And then, final answer. That's a fun one. There's other ways to do this, obviously, that I won't go into. And, go make a webpage. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Some folks are going to be politically active this weekend here in the United States. Be safe. Use your rights. Speak up for what you believe in. And bye.